All right, 3, 2, 1, here we go, class. We are going to be learning intention to learn how to find the area of triangles. 1, 2, 3, go.
Learning intention to learn how to find the area of triangles.
Very, very good. Right, okay, so that's what the lesson's about, learning how to find the area of triangles. The success criteria, and this shows me that you've succeeded. I've gone back to that, you'll notice. This shows me that you've succeeded. Success criteria, find the area, then divide by 2. 1, 2, 3, go.
Success criteria. Find the area, then divide by 2.
Great, okay. Now we're going to have a little bit of teaching. It's going to be a very fast lesson here. So, you're going to draw this down in your book for me. Let's do it. Here we go. Question A. You're going to draw a triangle. Your triangle is going to look like that. It's going to have 10 centimetres down the bottom. Doesn't have to be to scale. Don't feel like you've got to measure it so it's exactly 10 centimetres. Just draw it so it's sort of 10 centimetres, if that makes sense. It's going to be 10 centimetres wide. It's going to be, let's say, 9 centimetres long. Right? Here we go. We're in the teach phase. I'm going to write down teach because that's what we do now. We're doing some teaching. We're in the teach phase. It's going to be 9 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Great. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just needs to be a picture of a triangle that's 9 centimetres by 10 centimetres with those numbers there. You don't need a ruler. It's not to scale. Have we done that?
Yes.
Great. Next thing, I'm showing you how to do it. Here's the thing, guys. There's no special rule for finding the area of a triangle. There's not like a different sort of trick we use. What we actually do, Justin, is we pretend. Watch this. We pretend that we're just measuring a rectangle. We pretend that we're just measuring a rectangle, right? So you go, it's just the same. You go, well, to find the area equals, you go 9 times 10, which is?
90.
90. So the area is 90 centimetres squared. But because it's a triangle, Zeke, yeah? Because it's a triangle, we're actually not measuring all this, are we? Are we actually finding the area of that bit? No, that's just a pretend bit that I drew just to help us make sense of what I'm showing you. It's actually the area of the triangle is exactly half that area that we just measured. Does that make sense? Yes? No?
Yeah.
Right. So our thing to do now is to divide 90 in 2. So the actual area is going to be, the area of the triangle is actually going to be 90 divided by 2. 90 divided by 2, which is 45 what?
Centimeters squared.
45 centimetres squared. Got it? Yes? No? Let's do another. There's still 4 minutes to let everyone's escaping. Let's do another. We're doing it together now. You can write together if you want. You don't have to. That's more for me to remind me of what I'm doing. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to do another whole new triangle. Here we go. This triangle's different. This triangle's going to be like this. It's going to be 12 centimetres that way. And it's going to be 4 centimetres wide. Okay, the triangle's 12 centimetres long. It's 4 centimetres wide. I'm writing so small. Why? Why am I doing that? 4 centimetres this way. Right. Area equals. Okay? What have I done there? Okay. So, tell me. What do I do first? How do I work out the area of this triangle? What do I do? Yes. Well, yeah, let's pretend it's a rectangle. Perfect. So you do those little dots that make it a pretend rectangle. It's not really a rectangle. We're pretending. For the purposes of math, we're just going to pretend it's a rectangle for a moment. Right? Then what do we do? After we've done that, Zeke.
You do 12 times 4 and then you divide it by 2.
Perfect. You just do it like it's a normal rectangle. So 12 times 4 equals
48.
48. So it's 48 centimetres squared. But it's not that, is it? Because it's actually, is it actually a rectangle?
No.
Let's see, run out the rectangle. Yeah, run out the rectangle. So what have we got to do to this number here? We've got to divide it by?
2.
So the answer is?
24.
24 centimetres squared. Right, we're going really well. We're going really well. Let's do one all by ourselves. Here we go, we're going to try. We're up to try, which is all by ourselves. Knock that out. You're going to do this one. I'm not going to interrupt. You're just going to do it. Here's the triangle. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to be 9 centimetres down there. And it's going to be 12 centimetres here. 9 by 12. Okay. Area equals. Right. Have a go. It's 9 by 12, this triangle. It's 9 by 12. What are you going to do? When I see people's eyes looking at me, I know, not just looking at my new tie, they're finished, right? It's actually an older tie. Right, they're finished, right. So what's the answer? What answer did you get, Leah?
54.
This one? No, twins, sorry. Phoebe, what'd you get? It is 54. It is 54 centimetres squared, because what Phoebe did was she went 12 times 9 was 108 centimetres squared, and then she divided that by 2, right, and got 54 centimetres squared. Thanks guys, that's how to find the area of triangles. Go and have lunch.